Alright, this dude's just been... Well, I'm Victor, and that's Chiplet. This dude's been really weird, acting weird, ever since, like, we got here. I don't even know what he's gonna do next. This guy's out of the office. And processing, please wait. Well, let's see what this guy's doing. Ooh, Mountain Dew. Nice choice. What the heck?
Oh my god, that's nasty.
Sicko?
Right. Oh my god. Oh dude.
What the heck? Here, hide me. What the heck? Oh my god. This guy's messed up. This guy's weird. Okay. Hurry up. What the heck was that? Oh god, that was scary. Did you even see what he was doing? Oh, weird. How do you know? Oh, okay. Well, let's see if he's still there. Okay. Will you be my friend?